better. We don't have half of them either.
Yeah.
All right, you ready for it?
Like 8, maybe.
Oh yeah.
Strangers.
Strangers.
We always get second strangers.
And then we'll probably change seats throughout the trip too, so we'll rotate around, look up some other mussels, things like that. What do you guys think about that? All right, guys. Heads up.
Coming in.
One forward. Now do a little back paddle. One forward. So nobody has to do this, but anybody wants to do a little cliff jump, I'm going to walk up there and show you where you can jump from. It's off this rock right here.
From here before?
You literally hit that rock and fell out.
Oh.
That person did.
Oh, I missed it.
I only heard it and looked up and saw the half of it. Grabbing your jacket and pulling it down, then grabbing the side straps and tightening them, because when you hit, it's going to float up a little bit. Now here's the deal, you're just from here and here. It's obvious, but I still like to point it out. There's a rock ledge right here. We're not jumping on the rock ledge. You're going to put a foot here. We're not going to even run and jump. We're just going to push outward. And if you jump outward, just a little shove, you'll be good to go.
That was cold.
Yeah! Don't tell them how warm it is.
Ready?
Go for it.
It actually is pretty low.
Yeah, so that didn't fall there. That one floated down and got wedged right there. That was like 4 years ago, I want to say. Big flood that we had, just floated down and just wedged it really tight. Practice, I want everyone to take their jackets, hold them down, grab the side straps, tighten them up. If there's a time to have them too tight, now is the time to have them too tight. Momentum build up. that going. Try not to bring on the back. You're heading to the 14 plus class 5 water. Yeah, keep that going. Nice and strong and together. Keep that going. Keep that going. Keep that going. Hang on, get down. Now I'll tell you a secret. I haven't flipped in a year and 7 months. I just don't like to talk about it beforehand.
Yeah.
Hi Andy, how's it going? Hey, Andy, you're flip on land.
Oh, that looks gold.
Compared to like right back there. So once we get a few more people, once we get Oscar back rather, you guys want to do some bull riding, this is your opportunity.
Woo! Here we go! Oh, man.
Yes!
Oh.
Oh, I thought they were going out.
No, they all flipped in.
No, but they all went.
Go! Alright, this one looks pretty good. Anyway, yeah.
Only been seeing people doing that, falling backwards.
Push him in! Push him in! We haven't seen a single swimmer. Push him in. Paddles ready. We're going to spin. One forward. Paddle. Once we get past the boat. So if you can picture, guys, this is an old boat ramp right here. So water would be up to about our waist or our knees here. There was a dock right here. This was all filled in. And then this just widened down to the reservoir. That fence is all new down there. Pretty wild, huh?